Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore J1772 compatibility problems using ChargePoint charge settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your ChargePoint station is powered on and properly installed. Access the ChargePoint app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account with your registered credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the option labeled Charging Preferences or Charge Settings. Tap on this option to access your charging settings. Check for the section titled J1772 Compatibility. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, review the current settings for maximum charging rates. Adjust the maximum rate to match your electric vehicle specifications. A lower rate can help ensure compatibility with various charging stations. If available, select the option to update the firmware of your ChargePoint station. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Save all changes before exiting the settings menu. Disconnect and reconnect your vehicle to the ChargePoint station. Observe the status indicator on the station for confirmation. If the vehicle begins charging, the compatibility issue is resolved. In case the problem persists, consider a factory reset of your ChargePoint station. Consult the user manual for detailed instructions on performing a factory reset. After resetting, repeat the steps to adjust the charge settings again. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to ChargePoint support for further assistance. Following these steps should help you restore J1772 compatibility problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.